Under the initiatives of Tribal Welfare Minister Bikash Debbarma, on 15th of November, an event of Janajati Gourab Divas will be observed. The event will be inaugurated by Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah. On Saturday evening, Minister Bikash Debbarma himself went to a stable ground to check the work progress on the event.
Like every year, this year too, event of Janajati Gourab Divas will be observed on 15th of November under the initiatives of Tribal Welfare Minister Bikash Debbarma. The event will be inaugurated by Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah. Various preparation has been taken for the event to make it successful. Popular singers and famous people from Bangladesh and Northeast will be attending and performing in the program. The event will show the lost history, culture and tradition of the Tripura people. On Saturday evening, Minister Bikash Debbarma himself went to a stable ground to check the work progress of the event and spoke to the workers who are building the stage for the event.
Janajati Gourab Divas, Bhagwan Birsa Munda ni জন্মদিন te Chini Janajati Gourab Divas o polokhe jotono phai manjak phainani bagai sara North East ni borok phaibinai Chini mosamung rosamung chamung tomung jotono khaijanai o Chini astobol matra te rosamung korong Chini Bangladesh ni Payel Tripura bo phai tongo norok phai jotono phai manjana bagai norom thane koijau jotono hambai te Diwali ni jotono nomno kongono keceng pohor tuwi phaitong jotoni nogno kongono chanti tu phaitong ang asa khayo joma jotoni nogono boy kasang tu phainai nei
o pandawa sab manja phainai te
o pandawa Chini central minister of tongnai central minister Khorang khortam tongnai te all MDC all MLA te joto leaders uro kono color kore joto bukung bararok uro jotono participate khanai jotono
tamna harmung tuyo Janajati Gourab Divas
Chini mo কোনো সময় পর মধ্যে খাইজায়াকো আং চিনি তিপ্রাসা রংন চিনি বুকুং বারা রংন থানচা খাইয়ে প্লেটফর্ম কাইসা খাইয়ে जों कायसा मेसेज हिना मुसुंगो जे चिनि बुकुं बारा रगबो जों बो कायसा बसखांगो आगुइ दंगो चिनि सामुं नमुं तमुं चिनि दफानबो जों खुंना मुसुं आमन मनो उद्देश्य
सालबसो रमै अपिटन गनो तेर
सालतामुंनाय म 15 16 17 तारिख जों जागा Last finishing 17 tarik nai jotono nong bising tai khaye jotono manjangna boi angkoi
Minister Pratima Bhumik, Minister Shukla Charan Noatia, Susanto Chaudhary and others will also be present at the event. Reported by Amir from Agartala, Chini Khorang.